Talk about cha-ching! The new Etsy seller app offers a streamlined mobile experience that's packed with the features you use most, providing everything you need to manage your shop efficiently from anywhere. Built based on feedback direct from the seller community, here are a few of the tools you can access using the bottom navigation bar. Starting at home, you'll find the latest updates from customers front and center, keeping time-sensitive information on new orders, messages, and reviews top of mind. Under Messages, you can view the details of a buyer's order directly within the thread, keeping you informed while communicating in real time. Saved replies make it easy to respond quickly to common questions by choosing from a pre-written library of responses. From orders, it's simple to check the status of each order and see at a glance whether it's from a repeat customer. Plus, sellers based in the US can now buy and print shipping labels directly on the app to save time and money. Under Listings, quickly search and manage your shop's inventory to ensure it's always up to date. You can also add photos and listing videos directly from your mobile device, making it even easier to bring your items to life for buyers. And from Insights, you'll find details on your shop's performance, including traffic sources and conversion rate, along with marketing tools to help grow your business. Ready to give it a try? Download the Etsy Seller app for iPhone or Android to get started.